Good day, guys. If you've accumulated a balance in Cash App and want to move those funds directly into your Capital One checking account or debit card, doing so takes very quickly. Doing so takes less than 2 minutes. Whether you need an instant transfer or a fee-free standard cash out, I'm going to show you how step by step. So first, you need to know how to connect your Capital One account inside Cash App so your money knows where to go. So just open up your Cash App on your smartphone, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select linked banks. Tap link debit card to enter your Capital One debit card details. Or you can also choose link bank if you prefer signing into your Capital One online banking directly, and follow the quick prompt to confirm. Now that Capital One is connected, let's move your money over. Tap the Money tab at the bottom left corner, tap the green Cash Out button, use the slider to type in the exact amount you wish to transfer to Capital One, and then tap Cash Out. After that, guys, choose your preferred transfer speed, standard for 100% free deposit, which will take 1 to 3 days, or instant to send funds straight away. And keep in mind how transfer speeds and fees work. So standard transfer is 100% free, and if you choose an instant transfer, that will take you 0.5 to 175% fee. But funds hit your account in minutes. That is it. Alright, so you just confirm the payouts with your PIN or Face ID, and you're all set. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if this helps as well.